Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I did something completely different. I went back in time to the 70s/80s and yeah, I did this hairstyle, and this wig is from Asteria hair. I'm pretty sure, I hope I'm saying that right. This is their 5x5 HD lace wig, so it worked perfectly for the hairstyle. You guys can see the lace and everything. This is in 22 inches, I'm pretty sure, and it's their body wave wig, so you guys can see the volume. It's really nice hair. It's good quality, and the lace is also great, and I'll show you like what the lace looks like more in depth in the video. Yeah, I just did like a little quick install and focused more on like the style, just to show how the hair like curls and everything, and it's awesome. I love this hairstyle. I recently saw Aaliyah J post like a 70s inspired look, but I had this in mind as well. So I kind of looked at her video and saw how she did it. Hers is more like all in unison, like, you know, curled outwards, and I wanted mine to look a bit more messy and like kind of like effortless type of look. And yeah, it was my first time trying this hairstyle out, so you guys are gonna see like how I figured this out and everything. So enough of me talking. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look and how I installed this Asteria hair wig, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my cornrows in. Shout out to my mom for doing this for me really quick. I really do like recommend that you guys get like cornrows before any wig install. It just makes the wig look better like when it's flat, and you can keep the cornrows in for like a month sometimes and just keep re-wearing like different wigs and let it grow, and you know, let your hair be healthy underneath, and just put oil on your scalp. This install is going to be a little different. Like, it's not going to be like a full like meltdown like bald cap method type of wig, because I'm more like focusing on like the hair, and I know like the hair is going to come like this way and cover up everything else, so it's going to be fine. Well, this is how the lace looks. I did bleach the knots, but like the lace is so thin. It is HD lace. It has like a little tint to it, so it's a little like more brown, but that means I just don't have to put in I don't have to put any like powder or anything, because I know this is gonna melt really nice onto my skin. You guys can see it's good lace. I just plucked a little bit, but I don't need to do too much. I can do the rest when it's on my head, because it's a 5x5, and I don't even think I'm going to put a wig cap on, because I really don't care about like the part or anything. It's just more about like the look that I'm going for. I believe this was 22 inches, and it already has some layers in it, so that's nice, because I am going for that layered look, but I might have to put in some more. So I'm just going to first put this on my head. 5x5 wigs are great for like glueless options, because you just have to cut off this part and then make sure the back is tight, and it'll hold it down. You don't even have to do anything to it. So these are great for that. You guys can see the lace is nice and thin. It's really good lace. I love HD lace. I'm debating if I should first glue or if I should first cut the lace. Nah, I'll first put the glue in. Okay, so once you know where it is, like where you want it to start, I just like to mark. I do want this to be pretty natural looking, so I'm not gonna make it like too close down. Okay, I'm gonna brush my edges back a little. I'm just gonna use some Got2b just to brush my edges back. I don't want that getting caught. And I already wiped that area with some alcohol. I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond. I already have this one open. I think this is the Ghost Bond Platinum. I really do like it. I tried it out recently on like my clients and stuff, and they liked it. Not too much. And don't touch your hair, especially when you don't have a wig cap on. I feel like I put this a little too high up. I'm not sure though. Like, why is it so close to my edges? Or I could just be tripping. I'm really excited for this look. I know my wig is a bit longer. Like, usually like those 70s types of hair looks do look better on like shorter lengths and stuff, but I feel like I'm gonna make it work. I'm more focused on like the front area to be all like curled and stuff like that and have some volume, and then the back I'll just add a few curls. Now just putting in a couple more layers. Okay, so when it's clear like this, that means it's ready to be glued. So now you just want to carefully align the dots, just like how I always do it. Ooh, okay. I don't even know if it's normal, like the amount of stuff I drop is just abnormal, I swear. I always drop stuff with my clients, I always drop stuff with myself. Okay, so now, I don't know if my elastic is gonna fit in my head. Let me just see. I could try it, honestly. So you do want to get like a rubber band like this, that's the best method, but if not, you could always use a silk scarf. But I like to take out where my edges are gonna be. Just take out like a little row of hair, and this will help like lay the wig down better. Now just wait about like 3 to 5 minutes and then we'll take this off. So now it's time to take it off, right? And you see it looks like scalp. It just like presses the lace into the glue more and stuff. So if you don't do that, definitely try that out. It's looking really good. You guys can see. Now I'm taking my scissors. I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace. And with closure wigs, you want to make sure that you take off this thick part right here. So make sure you cut like pretty deep on the sides. You can use a razor for this part, but because I don't really care too much about that part, I'm using scissors. One thing about the wig though, the knots were kind of hard to bleach. Like I had to bleach it twice, and this is the best that I could do. But I know it could have like been more blonde. Like it just depends on the hair. Some wigs like they bleach really quick and then some don't. So it always depends. So this is what we have so far. It's looking good, but there are some parts that are lifting up, so I'm just gonna go in more close up and put some glue in the areas that it's lifting, and I'll be right back for the edges. Okay, so there it is, all glued and everything. And for the edges, I want this to be really simple, so I'm only gonna do the sides. I don't think I'll do the front. Yeah, I don't think so. So I'm just gonna take a little piece. And once you found where you want your edges to be, you can pluck if needed. Maybe a little bit. A trick I've found with edges is actually to cut it at an angle, kind of like pull it like this way and then cut like that, instead of straight, and not this way. Like you want the shortest piece to be the one in the front. And lay it down. I'm not gonna do the mousse version. I'm just gonna get some edge control. Just whatever kind of edge control you prefer. Might have made it a little too long, but that works. I'm gonna keep it. Alright, so there are the edges. And it's okay if you don't like it, because I don't even know if the edges will be, like, if you can see the edges, like, with the full hairstyle, but let's just go along with it. You can always cut it later if needed. I don't want it to be too flat, like with the hot comb. So I'm just gonna make a middle part. I think I'm just gonna make a middle part and then lay down the middle part, but not starting from here, like how I usually do it. Okay, let's make this middle part. It's actually a really, really deep part. I like this. The deeper that the lace goes, the more natural it looks. That should be good. Again, it's gonna be like all puffy and stuff, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm now taking the hot comb, brush that down. Honestly, that's good enough. You don't need it to be too flat. And I might have made it a little too flat. I'm just flicking this part upwards. Now for the fun part. I already have my straightener on. And you could do this with a curler, but I've been doing this with my straightener with like my own hair. And it's been working great. So I'm going to start with the front, because that's the part where we like really need to make sure it looks perfect, and then the rest I'll just curl it. Okay, now I don't know how short to cut this. This is the hard part. I know it has to be short, but I don't know how short I want it. I think I should make it pretty short. I'm just looking at inspo right now. I'll just go with the flow and see what I end up liking. So I'm gonna kind of take like a little triangle piece like this. Actually, I'll make it a bigger triangle. Start back here and go like that. Okay, we did it. I'm treating this like as if I'm cutting my own hair. Can I just stop? Actually, I'll just go this way. Okay, this side is definitely much shorter. Guys, I think I might have messed up. Let's just keep going with the flow. Alright. Now, another kind of triangle. And then with these layers, you just want to keep following like from here and just angle it downwards. Let's style this. And hopefully I didn't mess up all the way. I know people usually curl it outwards. Okay, I will curl it outwards. Let's try this. Oh, it worked. Okay, so it did work. We're good. And then I'll brush it out later. I'm purposely like making the curls really, really tight just because it's around my face. And I made it a little too short. Oh, that's so cute. I kind of want this more angled, so I'm just gonna cut. knew this would work with the 5x5 wig because you can't see the sides and it's basically covering up all the sides. So, and this hairstyle, I know it looks better like the next day or just as you like mess it up more. Even though that's all we have so far, I'm really happy with how it looks. I'm actually kind of happy like that I cut it a little too short in the front. It looks nice. This is so cute. It's so cute. I'm actually glad that I did this now. At first I was kind of scared, but now I'm just gonna go like section by section and just curl that way. I'm gonna cut layers and then just keep curling. And then just cut layers down. Not too much. And then you guys can always go in and cut more if needed. And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going for that like messy look. Okay, so you guys can see what I've done so far, and it's gonna take a long time for me to like curl the back and stuff, so I'm just gonna do this off camera and then come back when the back is done as well. Okay, you guys, I am done and I love it so much. It is so cute. Good thing I didn't film me doing it because I literally just kept making it up as I went. I wanted it to look like this, like more like shorter in the front and like curled up, and then the back a little bit more like longer. Still kept the length and still have some curls, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Just trying to go for this look and I love it. I actually really like it. I'm glad I went with this. I was debating. I hope you guys like this video and I hope you guys try this out too. It's so cute and it's like trendy right now. Give me a thumbs up and comment below what you guys think about this. Like, would you do this? Would you try it out? What do you think about it? And what do you guys want to see next? Let me know. Make sure you guys are subscribed if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!